government employees. Even though based on Bhattacharya Commission, government has took false decision by implementing CPS system, which is against lakhs of government employees, more than 80 lakh employees and their families all over India. From 2003 to till today, lakhs of government employees are fighting against CPS and demanding for old pension scheme. But ruling governments, parties are not at all considering the demand of government employees. The most unfortunate thing is that from last 22 years, employees, union leaders from all over India are fighting and demanding for old pension scheme. It is not implemented. Only the thing which was happened is those who are fighting for cancellation, abolishment of CPS system, their surnames have been changed. For example, Mr. Ramanjanayulu garu, he is from Andhra Pradesh. He is fighting against CPS from last 22 years. It is not happened, but his name has been changed. His surname has been changed. Nobody knows about his surname in Andhra Pradesh in employee sector. Everyone call him as a CPS Ramanjanayulu. And the most unfortunate thing is that political parties and leaders are supporting employees by opposing CPS system when they are in opposition. When they come to power, they are changing the behavior. They are treating the employees. Especially in the state of Andhra Pradesh, before 2019, YSR Congress Party President Jagan Mohan Reddy garu has given a promise that when he commits